cards open. You can cut through packages like this.
I'll open that thing.
Yeah, you can open it right. Right properly.
Hey, Bo! Hey, Bo!
What's he doing, Brody?
Look over there.
No, look at Christopher.
What are you doing, Bo? What is Bo doing?
Which one did she give you?
He's good, huh? He's playing that get this.
I'll show you the one she gave me. Are you done?
Go ahead.
No, I don't want to walk right in front of it.
Okay, walk in front of the room.
Okay, bye-bye.
Push me.
Let me see the 10 yellow Christmas.
Push it, Brody.
I'm sensing some sort of a theme going on with all my gifts this year.
There's a dog outside.
Oh, yeah, I knew you. Yeah, I knew you.